Welcome back everyone to the studio. Today, we have an amazing topic lined up that I cannot wait to dive into. Hello everyone, welcome to this English listening practice. This video is for beginner English learners. You can listen and learn English with me. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's talk about daily life. What do you do every day? I'll tell you about my day. Morning to night. Listen and see if your day is the same. Talking about daily life. Every day I do many things. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I have breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs. I drink a cup of coffee. After breakfast, I start work. I work on my computer at home. Sometimes I go outside for a short walk. At 12 o'clock, I eat lunch. I like rice and vegetables. In the afternoon, I read or study. Sometimes I listen to English. In the evening, I cook dinner. After dinner, I watch a video or read a book. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. This is my day. What about you?